Hi, Kylie. It's Mara. Well, you know that already. But okay, so just real quick, I don't want to bore you to tears with this. Okay, so to talk about how to get a web link, you'll go to Motivus. So right now you're seeing just the Blackboard screen, but I've got the Motivus strategy. Sorry, strategy on my other screen. So I'm just going to click on, and I know you can't see this part. I can drag it over. Okay, so I'm just going to click on whatever website is actually in Motivus, and as long as it doesn't go weird on us, we're going to use it. So let me make this where you can see it. Okay, so this is that MindTools website. I'm going to click here and Control C to copy. I don't know what it is in Apple. I think it's your command button. And then get rid of that. Let me drag all that away. And then I think it was in, grab this. I think it was in decision-making skills. So let's check that. And I've already got it in there. Yeah. So then all I want you to do is just highlight the link and do that little the little link symbol. And this is in your reminder thing too. So when you go into the link, you'll just paste the web link that you just copied and tell it to open in a new window and click update. And we're going to hit cancel since we've already done it. And then while you have that in your on your clipboard, come down to the resources and don't do it as an attachment, just do literally another paste function to get it here. If it doesn't look like it's making a link, you may have to relink it, which means go to the link, highlight the whole thing, go to the link, and do that whole pasting and open in a new window thing. Okay? Okay, that's it. I think you understood what was happening just from the email, but thank you for letting me practice, and don't give me any feedback on this. I know I stammer around and act like a dork. So we really miss you. I hate working at home. I've got a dog laying here, right there, and then Roomba's going to go off in a few minutes. And it's a nightmare. We really miss you. And I left those 2 bags of candy sitting on your desk, so I hope they're still there when we finally get to come back. I hope your online classes or your remote learning classes, I think we should say it like that, are going okay. If there's anything that we can do to help you, or that I can do to help you, please let me know, okay? So now that you see the other side of Blackboard, maybe you'll be able to, I don't know, make it through. We're worried about you. We're, not worried in a bad way, but hoping that you're doing well. And yeah, I guess that's it. So have a fabulous rest of your day. I hope I get this linked okay. And again, 3 minutes. Sorry. I'll talk to you later. Okay. Bye bye.